Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add animated gradient background in Elementor section or container. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard and we are going to install plugin. Scroll down on left side, you see plugin, so click on add new. Then in search plugin, write Elementor add-on elements. So this is plugin Elementor add-on elements we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation, scroll down on left side, you see Elementor add-ons elements, so click on it. Now you see different modules with widgets. Scroll down, you see multiple widgets and extension. So we are going to add animated gradient background in section or container in Elementor. Now go to page. Now you see section. So click on edit container. On left side you see style. So click on it. Then scroll down. You see EAE animated gradient background. So click on it. And then you see enable. Yes. Now you see animated gradient background. You see color is changing. Now you see angle minus 45 degree. So you can set angle according to your requirement. And then you see color. Now expand it. And then you see add color. Now select. So you can add color scheme according to your requirement. Now you see 3 color. If you want, you can add more item. Now you see add item. So click on it. And then you can select color from here like this. And then click on update. Now update done. Go to page and refresh the page. Now you see we added animated gradient background color using plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.